Hey guys, you are going to see a lot of videos over the course of the next couple of days come out of my car because this week I am pretty much living in my car. But I wanted to follow up with the liver video that we did with a video about the kidneys, which are the next organ system we're going to talk about. And your kidneys are really, really amazing little organs. And the kidneys have a lot of responsibilities, the same way the liver has a lot of responsibilities. And just like the liver is responsible for some hormone function, like we talked about the liver's link to thyroid hormones, the kidney is responsible for some hormone function. So first of all, what are the kidneys and where are they? The kidneys are little tiny organs about the size of a mouse for your computer. Smaller than your cell phone, and they are located just beneath the rib cage, one on either side of the body. A healthy kidney should filter roughly a half a cup of blood per 60 seconds. That means that throughout the course of an entire day, your kidney filters roughly 200 quarts of blood in a 24-hour cycle. That's a lot of work. It's working all the time. Of that 200 quarts of blood, what it's doing is removing waste, removing excess water, using that excess to create urine, and then re-regulating and reshuffling around what's not supposed to leave the body. So it's estimated that of the 200 quarts a day that gets filtered through the kidneys, 2 quarts becomes urine, and 198 quarts of fluid go back to your kidney, go back into your bloodstream to create fluid balance and mineral balance in the cells of your body. So the kidneys create a hormone that helps to stimulate red blood cell production, okay? In addition, the kidneys regulate blood pressure by creating a hormone called angiotensin. And the kidneys also control calcium regulation and calcium absorption. In addition, they're involved in the creation of the hormone vitamin D3 and vitamin D3 synthesis. They also regulate electrolyte levels, meaning they balance the fluid and minerals in each cell in your body and make sure that that is regulated. And then they also maintain vitamin B levels in the cells, which helps with methylation. It helps, again, with how your body is moving chemicals out of the cells. And so the kidney is super, super important. But we see here that all of these things, remember, get tied back together. So you have vitamin D3, you have calcium, you have electrolytes, you have minerals in the body, and you have the whole methylation process, which is designed to clean you out at the cellular level, then move things to the organ level so that the organs can remove them from your bodies. And remember, when we're talking about other things, like we're talking about the methylation cycle, we're talking about the MTHFR, and MTRR mutations, which regulate B9 and B12, also B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. So all of that is important. So that's where some of the genetics gets tied back in with the nutrition to the organ function, and why all of these things can't be separated. They really do interact with each other on a regular basis. So one of the things that I talked about in my post yesterday, as we're getting ready for these detox boxes to ship out and people are getting them, and we're going to start our group detox on May the 13th, this first time around. But if you're watching this after that, same applies. Fluid intake over the course of that 30 days is going to be very important, but not just water. We really want to make sure that you're getting adequate electrolytes, because as you're drinking more and as your kidneys are working harder and they're functioning better, you are going to release more waste, which means you are going to pee more, and that means you're going to need to prevent dehydration, and electrolytes, not water, are what regulate dehydration. Electrolytes determine how much water stays in each cell to make sure that there is homeostasis or electrolyte balance between the cells. So there's enough water and enough electrolytes to not hurt you. Without enough electrolytes, too much water can be bad. So it's really important that if you haven't also incorporated the hydrate, or you didn't buy the bundle that includes the hydrate, that you do get yourself some hydrate, or you are using the do-it-yourself electrolyte mixture that we have in instructions on in our classes. In the it is week 4 in all 3 classes: the Paleo Total Transformation, the Keto Masterclass, and the Carnivore Code. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. More videos excuse me, more videos will be coming. The next thing we're going to talk about, I think, is going to really be some expectations going into the Detox Box program. Okay.